putting this duvet cover on the bed. I purchased this from West Elm, several months ago. I will link that haul video in the description box. But yeah, I'm putting this on the bed. It's silver. If you notice there's a lot of silver in the room. The mirror here is silver. I don't know if you can see the side tables, but I will show them to you. They're silver as well. And the lamp, this is really pretty. It's velvet, almost like a crushed velvet, so I think it'll look nice. I'm gonna use the white. These need to be washed because someone who stayed the night got makeup on them, so I need to throw those in the washing machine. Need to throw that one in the wash as well. But yeah, I'm gonna still use this throw for the bed. I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave the gray one on. Maybe not. I don't know, I'll see how I like it as I progress. And then I'm just gonna clean up the room a little bit and show you guys this side of the room, because this room is kind of small as well. And this is a king size bed. I guess it wouldn't look so small if the bed wasn't so big in the room, but yeah, it's a big bed in here. So we're gonna keep it for a while. We're not gonna replace it like we did the bed upstairs just yet. This is actually a sleep number bed. This was in our master bedroom. this is what I have so far. I am not in love with the duvet cover. It looks pretty off of the bed. It actually looks pretty on the bed too, but I don't know, I'm not feeling it. Or maybe it's just the fact that I haven't put the Euro shams on that goes with the coverlet yet, because they're still in the dryer from having foundation or something on them. But the duvet cover is really soft. It is very, very soft. So I like that. I don't know, maybe it'll grow on me. Maybe once I get a throw, maybe a white throw or a turquoise, not turquoise, but teal colored throw. Basically, all of the colors are in that picture there that I'm trying to decorate the room with. So, yeah, maybe if I get a teal throw or maybe even a black one. I am not putting this black one back on the bed because it sheds way, way too much. I got this from Target. I like the look of it, but oh my goodness, this black yarn stuff is everywhere. It's like all over the floor. It just sheds horribly. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be putting that back on there. If I do put it back on, it's not gonna be on there for very long. I saw a really pretty black one at Z Gallery, and I should have ordered it last night before their free shipping went off. And I went on this morning and it was like no more free shipping. So I'll wait till they get another sale or at least another free shipping, because there's no sense in paying full price for stuff, you guys, when you can get it on sale. You know it's eventually going to go on sale. But yeah, now I'm just going to go ahead and finish cleaning up the room. Oh, I still didn't get the shams out of the dryer. That needs to get hung up somewhere. I usually put towels in there for when I have guests, but right now it's empty because I like the towels to smell nice and fresh and unstoppable. This cute black throw at Home Goods for $16.99. So I am going to be replacing that black one that I had from Target, or I've had it for a while, that sheds a lot. I put it on the bed anyway, and as you can see, it's already shedding. It's already shedding everywhere. So yeah, I'm glad that I am finally replacing that. My pillow shams, my Euro shams, they are dry now, so I'm going to change those out and put these on. And then I think I'm also going to take this mirror down. I don't like the silver anymore. I think I'm going to paint it black. I don't know, we'll see. But then I also bought some 12 by 12 picture frames that I may find some prints to put in, and then just hang them on the wall. And then I also think I have a set of 3 18 by 18 frames in black that I might put on the wall. I don't know. I'm gonna go online and see if I can find some prints that I like that I can have printed maybe at Walmart or something really quickly tomorrow, and then add them to the wall, and then I'll come and show you guys again how the room looks.
One eternity later.
I took the mirror down. So I decided I am going to spray paint it. I'm gonna have my husband help me take it into the garage, tape off the mirror portion of it, and then just paint the frame of it. I'm not gonna hang it back the same way that it was hung on the wall. I'm going to hang it horizontal so that you can actually see yourself in the mirror, you know, your full body, like a full body mirror. And then I think I'm gonna do the prints on the side of the mirror. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. I might need to purchase some more prints, but we'll see. All right, you guys, let's go get this taped off and painted. guys. I still need to clean it and then hang it on the wall and figure out where I'm going to put the picture frames beside it. Or actually where on the wall I'm going to put the mirror. I know I want to put it somewhere close to there so that, you know, it's full body so you can check yourself out. But yeah, I think it came out really well. I didn't really like how the 12x12s looked on the wall. They looked kind of small. Maybe if I'd have put all 3 of them up on each side. But I also have these 18x18 frames. So I think I'm going to use these instead. So I need to find some prints to go inside of them, or maybe I will make my own design. Haven't decided yet, but you guys will have to wait for part 2. I'm going to try to get it done quickly and then share you guys the complete reveal of the room. I did change the Euro shams to match the shams that came with the, or the shams that match the coverlet. Changed the mirrors that were underneath there from the silver ones to these round black ones that I had. That's been in a closet somewhere forever. So yeah, you guys will have to wait for part 2 for the complete reveal. I'm also going to try to find some curtains to hang on the windows because I don't like how the bare windows look. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos and you can catch part 2 of my guest bedroom makeover. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day.